Thomas Papantonio, COO and partner at Tadawul FX. Many congratulations on winning Best Islamic Forex Provider for 2011.
Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure to be here. And on behalf of everyone at Tadawul FX, we really appreciate this award and we really thank World Finance for this recognition. Thank you.
We're living through a period of turbulence that's reflected in the news flows from around the world. So what stance should a foreign exchange trader take?
Well, it's without question that the times we are living in are very turbulent. This is evident from all angles of the market. Anyone could review the past year's historical charts and clearly see that compared to other years, we have experienced much more price fluctuations in a variety of instruments. You will see news regarding the banking industry, wars, unemployment, economic growth, growing debt, and many other factors for specific countries, regions, or instruments. We have witnessed dramatic effects on a great many, if not on all instruments. To summarize, it was such an event that gave birth to the turbulence that all Forex investors experienced. I want to emphasize that due to probably the most fundamental key factor of the FX industry, which is what makes it so superior to other markets, is that profit can be captured and attained regardless of the increase or decrease in an instrument's price, thus making this market twice as attractive to its investors as they can capture profits in not one but a two-directional market movement. It simply means that with more turbulence, we also have more trading opportunities for making profits or for making greater profits than normal.
So let's be clear, you're saying that such uncertainty coupled with unexpected major events is a trading opportunity?
It is the trader's challenge to turn uncertainty into certainty, and that is often gained from experience. There's always a degree of uncertainty. No one knows 100% where the markets will move and when. A successful trader just needs to know how to recognize and capture market opportunities when they arise, and one thing you can be sure of is that those real opportunities will be somewhat unexpected. The earthquake in Japan resulted in an appreciation of the Japanese yen in order to make payments. Insurance companies buying Japanese yen in significant volumes resulted in the USD Japanese yen going from between 83 to 81 levels to 76.15. This is abnormal. Abnormal market movements and thus presents above average trading opportunities and extends the level of profits a client may capture. Precious metals, gold, again this year had record highs. Silver approximately doubled its price this year. Oil, as always, sweet crude light oil, had a record high of $115 a barrel in the year 2011. I could go on all day with an overwhelming number of examples for so many instruments, but based on the few major examples I have given, I think it's crystal clear that the worldwide major events have certainly resulted in a strong market movement and thus caused an ample amount of trading opportunities.
Moving on to Islamic trading accounts, what should Islamic Forex traders be looking for?
Well, Islamic trading accounts are something very close to our hearts at Tadawul FX. In fact, it was created and introduced first by Tadawul FX into the Forex industry. This is a continuously growing market and one in which we are proud to say we have played a significant role. The Islamic trading accounts offered by Tadawul FX are, as I like to say, truly Islamic accounts, mainly due to the fact that we provide swap-free accounts with no limitations or hidden penalties. One aspect of the Sharia law that we at Tadawul FX take very seriously in particular is the concept to give and expect nothing in return. Based on this simple but powerful statement, we give swap-free accounts to Islamic traders freely and with no alterations to the services that are provided to those clients. Unfortunately, from my experience, as it is often told to me by many clients, that most, if not all, other brokers have penalties and hidden fees for offering swap-free Islamic accounts. I believe that due to our innovative procedures that has enabled us to offer such Islamic accounts, coupled with the transparency and truthfulness, that these aspects have led to Tadawul FX being recognized as a world-leading Islamic account offering broker.
So in conclusion, a big question, what do you think makes a great Forex trader?
Well, it's a number of aspects that collectively make a successful trader. I shall go through a small brief list of aspects, starting from the beginning. Selecting the right broker to trade with. Do your broker due diligence. It is only safe to invest your funds with a broker or investment firm that is licensed and regulated. This ensures that every measure is kept to secure the safety of your investment. Know your trading costs. The most common and generally the only cost a client should face is the spread. and rollover fees, swaps, for holding positions open overnight. Make sure you understand what these charges are and how they are applied. Plan your trade and trade your plan. In order to eliminate emotional trading, have a trading plan worked out in advance. This means knowing when you will enter and exit a trade before you enter the market. Trade in the direction of the trend. As discussed earlier, we see great trends in the currency pairs that have a long lifespan. As such, it pays off to learn how to identify dominant trends of the currency pair and stick with it. Before initiating trades, know your risk and respect those risk levels. Becoming methodical in trading eliminates fears, greed, and protects you from overtrading or trading on impulse. The Forex market presents us with a continuous stream of opportunities. Therefore, you should only initiate trades when the odds are stacked in your favor. Should you face 2 or 3 consecutive losses, stop your trading, evaluate your positions, and find your mistakes so that you can rectify them. To conclude, it is a collaboration of all of the points I have mentioned that when used effectively and collectively, that is what makes a great Forex trader.
Thomas Papantonio, thank you.
Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure to be here with you.